In primetime news this evening, government allocates $150 million to ease drought conditions.
We'll explore the water trucking business boom in parishes worst affected by drought.
And carnival stakeholders promise to do better to keep the streets clean after future road marches. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, this evening we zoom into the deposit-taking institutions in the country, and based on the latest report from the Bank of Jamaica, the top 5 hold about 80% of the market share. I'll have the breakdown later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon, we go to Spencer Darlington with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you, Herman. The Jamaica Scorpions have made 3 changes to their squad for their penultimate match in the Regional 4-Day Championship. We'll tell you more on that and other stories in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how have you been affected by the dry spell impacting the country?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.